Hi, and thank you for joining our session today. My name is Brian King. I'm a Government Business Development Manager here at Geotab. And for the session today, we have the folks from AssetWorks that are going to provide us with an overview of their Fleet Focus solution. So I'm excited to be introducing you to the AssetWorks team. So we know here at Geotab, we spend a lot of time talking to our customers about the power and the capabilities of the MyGeotab platform. And one of those being the ability for us to go in and have our MyGeotab platform work alongside and coexist with customers' existing backend systems. So a lot of times one of the things that we are asked and get requests from customers is do we have the ability to go ahead and work with their existing fleet management systems? So, and more often than not, when we're talking to customers about this, it's AssetWorks that is providing that solution to them. So we're really excited to have the AssetWorks team here to provide us with that overview of their applications. We're going to start off the session today with Mary Ellen, who is going to give us a overview of the Fleet Focus software, what that looks like and the benefits that it delivers to our customers, and really take a look at how it can help be used to manage customers' fleets and create some efficiencies, and really the link between the powers of the MyGeotab platform and the AssetWorks platform as well. And then we're going to have Derek and Jim are going to from AssetWorks who are going to join us as well. They're going to go ahead and provide us with a little bit further overview of the Fleet Focus solution. And then they're also going to be available for questions and answers after they do their presentation as well. So again, I'm really excited to be introducing you to the AssetWorks team and really looking forward to the information that they're going to share with us today. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Mary Ellen. Thank you.
Hi, and thank you for joining. I'm Mary Ellen Kennedy with the AssetWorks team, and today I'm excited to provide you with an overview of the AssetWorks Fleet Focus product suite. This overview is intended to provide better insight into who we are at AssetWorks and some of the benefits and features our Fleet Focus software has to offer. So let's get started. So here at AssetWorks, our mission is simple. We want to provide innovative and practical software and hardware solutions to help our customers and the people they serve across a variety of product verticals. We've been developing these solutions for over 40 years, and we're constantly working with our customers to create the latest and greatest solutions to industry challenges. AssetWorks has built our solution on a solid foundation using the common building blocks of maintenance management, while incorporating industry-specific features and best practices that we learned through conversations with our customers and also from our internal industry thought leaders. And we are so proud of our diverse customer base. So our Fleet Focus customers cover a variety of industries across North America and the United Kingdom. And they include, but are certainly not limited to, city, county, state, federal government agencies, utilities, private fleets, trucking companies, and even airlines. And our diverse customer base not only shows the flexibility of the Fleet Focus application, but it has also helped to evolve the functionality of our software and hardware over the past 40 plus years. And we are so proud to provide this fleet and asset management software to our customers. They are truly leaders in the industry, which is proven year after year as they keep winning industry awards. Fleet Focus has been instrumental in helping our customers become these award-winning leaders in their fields, and it's our goal here at AssetWorks to continue to help them succeed with our software for years to come. And across our customer base, we have more than 4 million vehicles and 10 million equipment assets under management, and this list just continues to grow. It would be really tough to drive through a community in North America or the UK without seeing an asset currently managed by AssetWorks software. AssetWorks customers can be found around the world, but so can the AssetWorks team. So we support our customers through our offices in the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom, in addition to our many remote team members. So now I'm going to start walking you through some of our product offerings. And of course, I'm going to start with Fleet Focus. So Fleet Focus is the industry-leading fleet and equipment management software, and it has provided comprehensive solutions to the fleet and asset management industries for well over 40 years. And Fleet Focus covers many workflows and functionalities, which include, but are certainly not limited to, back office operations, parts inventory management, fleet and equipment management, front office and customer management, and of course, technician management and shop floor operations. Something that makes AssetWorks product suite so unique is actually Fuel Focus. So the Fleet Focus suite is the only fleet and equipment management solution with a fully integrated fuel management system that includes not only the fuel hardware, but also the software solution for real-time management and reporting capabilities. But as we all know, the fleet industry is starting to make that switch to electric vehicles. So AssetWorks recently launched our Fuel Focus EV platform for electric vehicle charging management. Partnering with top electric vehicle hardware vendors, the AssetWorks team developed Fuel Focus EV to help fleets monitor, alert, and record all relevant data for electric vehicle charging. We are so excited about this new offering. And of course, we can't speak at the Geotab Reseller Summit without talking about our GPS and telematics capabilities. So our relationship with Geotab falls within our GPS and telematics offerings. Integrations with Geotab and other GPS solutions provide many advantages to our customers, including the ability to view vehicle locations from a map within Fleet Focus. And GPS and telematics integrations provide additional benefits beyond just vehicle location. It includes receiving diagnostic trouble code alerts, automatic creation of work orders or service requests from DTCs, and odometer reading updates. So now I'm going to move on to our capital asset management system, which we at AssetWorks call CAM. So AssetWorks provides additional asset management solutions with the CAM system. The system was designed to help asset managers minimize costs and maximize the useful life of their assets. So the module is designed to manage the entire life cycle of an asset through multiple workflows and user roles, which include analytics, forecasting, planning, budgeting, procurement, receiving, and finally disposal. Now I'm moving on to our Enterprise Asset Management, or EAM solution, which was designed with asset-intensive organizations like public works departments in mind. AssetWorks EAM offers a really comprehensive solution for managing all assets of any type for our customers. This includes a GIS integration for managing point, linear, and boundary assets, as well as non-GIS or non-spatial assets. You can see some examples of the many assets EAM manages here on the screen, but they include assets within parks and recreation, forestry, waste facilities, fleet, streets, water, wastewater, and then also additional capital planning and projects functionality as well. So I'm going to start to conclude here, but before I do, I want to share some information on our different integrations. So AssetWorks solutions can also integrate to virtually any third-party application for the purposes of eliminating double entry, updating systems of record, managing workflows and bi-directional processes, and any other efficiencies between different systems. So some of the types of integrations include ERP, purchasing and finance systems, timekeeping and payroll, HR systems, fuel, and so much more. And that is all that I have for you today. If you have any questions or would like to request a full demo of any of the solutions you've seen here today, please send an email to communications@assetworks.com or fill out a form on our website, assetworks.com/fleet, and a member of the AssetWorks team will be in touch very soon. So thank you, everyone. I hope you have a great day.